Hello, children. Welcome back to my general knowledge class. Today, I will teach you about Know Your Aptitude book. So, our first chapter is Analogy. Do you know what is analogy? Analogy means a degree of similarity, that is, having similar features. Here, we understand the relationship between two given objects and apply the same relationship to find what has been asked. It means you have to find out the same relationship whatever they have showed on the first part. It means they have divided into two parts. First part they have given the same relationship, so you have to find out the next relationship on the same. Now look the example. Kite, bird, boat, you have to find it. Kite and boat both move through air. Similarly, we can say that boat and fish move through water. Crow is also fly in the air. Fish is a water animal. Tiger is an animal but it is on land. Car, it is also on land. So fish is the only animal which can flow on, which can swim into the water. And boat also. So boat and fish are interrelated. In the same way, so many questions are there. We have to solve it in the same manner. We have to find out the relationship. Tick the right choice. In these questions, four objectives have given. You have to pick only one. Summer, cooler. In summer, we use cooler. In winter, what we use? Heater, washing machine, coat, fridge. What we use in winter? Heater. So first answer is heater. First answer is heater. Now next one, water, glass. We drink water in a glass. And tea, where we drink tea? In a teapot, cup, saucer, a tray. Keep guessing, children, which one will be the correct? The second one, B, cup. We drink tea in a cup na? Teapot, we keep the tea in the teapot. We don't drink it. Saucer, we don't use tray, we can't. Only cup is the correct answer where we drink the tea. Next one is third, pencil box. First we tick the answer, the second one answer is cup. Okay, now come to third, pencil box, pencils, keychain, and objectives are purse, shopping bag, bangles, keys. We keep pencils in pencil box. So what we keep in keychain? Keys. We keep keys in keychain. Number fourth, dice, cube. Dice, it is the shape of cube. And matchbox, what is the shape of the matchbox? Square, sphere, cuboid or cylinder? Cuboid. The answer is cuboid. Fifth, shuttlecock is the shape of cone. Globe. Globe. What is the shape of the globe? Circle, cube, cuboid or sphere? Yes, think about it. What will be the correct answer? Which one of the following is correct? Sphere. It is the 3D shape. So it is known as sphere. Sphere, it is a kind of circle in a 3D shape. Now train, railway track. Train run on railway track. So bus run on, it is very easy. Diesel, road, bus stop, driver. Bus runs on road. So correct answer is B, road. Earthworm, crow. Crow, earthworm. What earthworm? How the word earthworm moves? Earthworm crawl. Like a snake. As a snake crawl, no? Earthworm also crawls. So crow, what crow will do? Fly, swim, dance or sleep? This is very easy. Fly. So seventh answer is A, fly. Truck, diesel. Scooter, truck runs on diesel. Diesel, you need diesel to run the truck. And what is the fuel used for scooter? CNG, water, kerosene or petrol? What we use? We use petrol for scooter. We use diesel for truck. Fuel, which fuel is used? Diesel for truck and petrol also. And scooter, we use petrol. Dog, bitch, horse. What? Dog. Dog female is bitch. Horse female is tigress, lion, mare or calf? Mare. Horse is mare. Now last one, bull, cow, boy, child, girl, man for man. You have to tell the male one. Bull, you have to find the, bull, cow. You have to find the female. Bull, cow, boy, girl. So here we have. So please, I will repeat my answer. First A, second B, cup, third D, keys, fourth C, cuboid, fifth D, spare, sixth B, road, seventh A, fly, 8D, petrol, 9C, mare, 10th B, girl. I hope you all understand this. Now the next, analogy numbers. Here the same, only the difference is that the number pattern is given. Now you have to look the pattern carefully. First one is 2, 3. Next one is 14, 15. Next one is 21, 22. Next one is 43. And what will be the correct answer? Yes, what will be the correct answer? Correct answer is 44. The correct answer is 44. Now look the second. Now see 10, 20, 20, 30, 70, 80, 60. What will come? 100, 50, 70, 80. You can see this is the difference of 10, 10. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 70 plus 80, 70 plus 10, 80, 60 plus 10, 70. So answer is 70. Next one, third. 1, 2, 3, then 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 6, 6, 3, 2, 7, 2, 5. What will come? See, in the first pattern 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. It means they are going now backward. 2, 3, 6, 6, 3, 2. Now backward from 6, 3, 2. And 7, 2, 5. What will come? 5, 2, 7. Yes, backward we have to move. We have to write the numbers in the backward order. Okay, the third answer is 527. Now come to question number 4. 100, 99, 300, 299, 700. Yes, it is very easy. It is before, or you can say less 1. So correct answer is 690 or 699, 799 or 701. So correct answer is 699. Now question number 5. 42, 4, 56, 5, 73, 7, 89. You can see the relationship. They are writing the face value of the tens place. See the first question, 42. 42, what is the face value of the 4? 4. What is the place value of 5? 5. What is the place value of tens in 7? 7. What is the place value of 8 tens? 8. So the correct answer is 8. Now question number 6. 2, 4, 10, 20, 200, 400, 400. What? See, 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 10 multiplied by 2, 20. 200 multiplied by 2, 400. 400 multiplied by 2, 800. So you can check what the options have. Options are given 200, 600, 800 and 900. And what is the correct option? C, 800. Now next one, 420, 320. 560, 460, 760. What will come? See, ones and tens places same. 20, 20, 60, 60. So in the last places also it must be 60. So, but what you see in the 100 place, they are only the less one, means minus 100 is in all the series. 423 20 less 100, 560 less 100, 460, 760 less 100, less 100, 660. So our correct answer is 660. So there's a difference of less 100. Now next one, 710, 700, 810, 800, 910. What will be the answer? I know you are doing very beautifully, very quick, very fast. So do it like in the same manner. I hope you all understanding this. Now we continue to question number 8. What will be the difference of 10? You can see 710 less 10, 700, 810 less 800, 910 less 10. What will be the answer? 900. 400, 800, 600, 900. The correct answer is 900. Now ninth, 999, 876, 888, 765, 444. What will be the come next? The options are 320, 324, 321 and 322. Now see, 9 backward 8 and you have to backward counting of 8, 7, 6. Okay, see, 999, 9 backward, 9 less 1, 8, and now you have to write the backward 7, 6. Now 888, 888, 8 less 1, 7, 7 less 1, 6, 6 less 1, 5. Okay, now 4, 4, what you will write? 3, then 2, then 1. So correct answer is 321. Okay, now the last question number 10. 345 means 345, 456, 326, 437, 456, and the last one is what will be come next. You can see the series. If there is 300, it will become 400. If there is 4, it will become 5. If there is 5 ones, there will be 6 ones. So they are adding 1 in the place values. Like 326, it becomes 4. 2, it will become 3 tens. 6 ones, 7 ones. Now here 400. So what will come? 500. Now 5 tens, it will come 6 ones. Now 6 1 400, 500. 5 tens, 6 ones. 6 5 tens, 6 tens. 6 ones, 7 ones. Okay, you have to plus 1 in all the place value. Look the 10 question one more time. 456, so it will become 4 5 5 tens, 6 tens, then 6 tens, 7 tens. So the first answer is 567. 567, 567, and B 568, 578, 588. All these are the correct. Only the correct answer is 567. I hope you understand the relationship between the numbers, and you can easily understand how to do all these series. There's some pattern in it, so be careful while doing that. There's some connection between the numbers. You have to find out what is the relationship between them. Now come to the next page, the analogy codes. What do you mean by codes? Now there is a relationship between the alphabet and numeric mix. Means there you get alphabet also and numbers also. By both these you will get the codes. So there is some pattern or relationship between the codes. You have to do it with the help of these options. As usual, options are given, so continue with it. tick the right choice. Question number 1. A1. A we have given number 1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F6, G7, and the next one is, yes, tell me, H8. What is the next answer? H8. The correct answer is H8. First option is C. Now second, A1, A2, C3, C4, D4, D5, E5. Yes, E6. It's so easy. You are doing beautifully. A1, A2. You can see numbers, alphabets are same. Only the numbers series are continuing. So correct answer is E6. We do not have to read the options. You are doing so well. Now question number 3. 10A, 20B, 30C, 40D, 50E, 60F, 70G, and next one. Options are 90H, 80H, 80I, 70H. So what will be the answer? 80H. The correct answer is B, 80H. Now question number 4. A1B, A2B. You can see A1B, A2B. Alphabets are same, only the number of series, only the continuation of numbers has changed. Continuing their numbers. C3D, C4D, E5F, E6F. So the correct option is E6F. Now next one, fifth, 11A, 12B, 13C, 14D, 15E. Options are 16E, 16F, 16G, 17F. So the number will be the next one, 15, 16. There is E and the next will F. So answer is 16F. Now question number 6. 111A means 111A. 3 times 2B means 222B. Now next one, 222B. So they are again continuing the last number. It becomes the first number of the second part. Now 333C. Now the second part of the second number, it will become the first part of the third number. You can see the second will come in the first position. And the next one will be 4, 4, 4, 3 times 4 and D. So correct option is C. Okay, I hope you all understand this. The codes: 7th, 88, 99, B, 88. Next one, B, 88. What will come? A after comes B. B, 88. Again the second part is it will become the first part of the next. So B, 88. What will become after this? C. Yes, C. Then 9. Look the last one. It is 9. Then it become less 1, 8 backward. Now there is 8. Now it will become 7. So the answer will be C, 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 double C, 77. Double C, 77. Now question number 8. 1 ABC, 2 DEF. Now you can see A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the continuation of the alphabets and the numbers are also continue. 1, 2. Now look one. Next one, 3 G, H, I. Number will continue, alphabets will continue. 4 and the options are 4 JKM, 4 IJK, 5 JKL, 4 JKL. So answer is 4 JKL because after IJKL come and after 3 4. So question number 9. 12AB, 21BA. You can see the relationship. What is the relationship between 12AB and 21BA? Now 12 they have reversed. 21 if we have interchanged the places, AB becomes BA. So they have interchanged the places of the numbers and the alphabets both. Now in the second part we also do the same, 23BC. So it will become 32CB. 32CB is the second part. The option is 32CB. Now question number 10. 13MN, Next one is 14 NO. You can see the numbers are in a continuation order. Continue mean +1 are in the series. Numbers are in the series, but the last alphabet is repeated on the next part. It means MN. Now the NO. N is repeating and they are in the series. Now look one the next one, 16 PQ. It will become 16 becomes 17. Q will repeat, and after Q what will come? R. So the options are 17 NO, 17 ON, 17 PQ, or 17 QR. The last option is 17 QR. I hope you all understand this page also. We have done this page. Now one more page is left. Now the last one page, analogy letters. Now there's only letters are there. You have to just find out the relationship between them. A, B, B, C, C, D, D. What will come after D? E. So the correct option is E. So the correct option of first is B, E. Now look the second question. A is to C, B is to D, C is to E, and D is to U. You can see only the one letter is skipped between two. A, they have skipped B, then they have written C. B, they have skipped C, they have written D. C, skip D, E has written. E is written there. Now D, after D, E skip, the answer will be F. You can see if we know the pattern or the relationship, we don't need the option, we just have to follow it. I hope you all are understanding and trying to do it yourself. Question number 3. AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, DE, DE, EF. Yes, very good. You can see we don't need any options. We can do very well. I hope you you are also doing very well. Question number 4. A, D, E, H, P. After P what will come? You can see now two letters are skipping. A, B, C skip, D. Next one E, F, G skip, H has come. Next one P, Q, R skip. The next letter is S. The next letter will be S. Fourth answer is C. Now fifth one T, S, W, V, D. What will come? You can find out the now they are doing backward. After T comes U, but they have written S because after S T will come. So they are going backward. T before S. What will come before T? S. And W, V, D, C. So the correct option is C, because what comes before D? C. Now question number 6. AT, TA, PR, IP, VY. Can you find out the relationship between question number 6? AT becomes TA. It means they have interchanged the position. First will come on the second place and second place will come on the second alphabet come on the first place. So AT, TA, PR, IP, VY, YV. So the correct option is C, YV. Now question number 7. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, this is the continuous series. It is very easy. Now P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Yes, the correct option is A, T, U, V, W. Now question number 8. 2 times A, 2 times P, 2 times C, 2 times D. It is also the continuous series. The only difference is that they are repeating 2 times. Now the next part, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S. So the correct option is R, R, S, S. Now question number 9. C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G. P, Q, Q, R, and the next one is, now you can see what is the relationship between the first one. C, D, D, E mean the middle one number repeating 2 times. E, F, F, G, F repeating 2 times. P, Q, Q, R. Q repeating two times, and the options are A double Q double R B, R double S T, C R double T S, and the last one is P P Q R S. So our correct option is B R S S T. Q, because R is the repetitive, we have to repeat the last letter R, and S should become two times, and the next letter is T. Last but not the least, question number 10, A B D C C D B A. You can see the first part A B C D, but they have written D C. It means the third will come in the fourth position, and the fourth alphabet will come in the third position. Third and the fourth, they have interchanged the place. Now see C D, now which they have interchanged, but in the second part they have correct in the order C D B A. Or you can see one more thing, there is a common, they are doing backward. See A B D C, it is written, now they are written backward from the fourth, third, second one. Fourth letter is C, now it becomes first. D is third, now it becomes second. B is now B will be the third one, and A will become the first one. It means you have to write it from the backward. P S Q R, you have to write it from the backward. R S Q P. So R S Q P will be the B option. So the correct answer is Q R S Q P. So the correct option is B. So I hope you all understand this for all analogy which we have done today. You have to do it. If you have any problem, you can ask it anytime. I hope you like the class and enjoy it. Thank you.